Hello guys, Brian here, and before I do the unboxing, I'm just gonna say that I've been really busy with, school and not been doing much on, you know, getting some Jurassic World toys. I have gotten some, and I actually have three of them that I just got yesterday in Target, and long story short, the way I got these figures was that I was going to Target, I didn't see anything new, and I was about to head home. I was with my dad as well. But then I think I saw some worker, and she had some of the new Jurassic World Frenzy packs, like Wave 2s ones, because there was, let me just show you. Let me show you one real quick, the Jurassic World Survival Velociraptor. So these are the Wave 2s. There's a Wave 1 and a Wave 2, and I'm showing you the Wave 2 figures. So yeah, the worker had these Wave 2 figures, and I was like, hey, I wanted to get these figures because, these are new ones. And I managed to get it. So I got pretty lucky yesterday, and now I'm going to be opening them. As you can see, the only one I didn't get was this Plesiosaurus, because I already have that one and it was part of the Wave 1. Also, today is Valentine's Day. I'm not going to really explain much. Let's just go unbox this, because why not? Also, if you're wondering if I am going to do my Jurassic World collection videos, because usually every New Year's, like around January, I usually make Jurassic World collection videos, but I did do the recordings, but I haven't uploaded them. I'll probably upload them on Monday. That's enough me talking, but let's go into this Velociraptor. So it looks like the Jurassic World Rebirth Raptors, like one of the Rebirth Raptors, but it has a little bit less details. Like the right here, usually the Rebirth Raptors would have, like, I don't know, some beige color around this part here, maybe this part on the body, but that looks like this one, that's gone. But it still has the little blue colorings. I don't know, did the Rebirth Raptor toys that look like this one had blue on this side? I know they had the ones on the sides, but what about the top? He did have the orange though. There's stripes as well. I like this Raptor design, to be completely honest. It's kind of a downgrade of one of the Rebirth Raptors, but it's still a good figure. Sculpt is nice. Here's a scan code as well too, if you're wondering. Articulation is actually the same as that one. I think I have that one as well. I showed it in another video like months ago. Nice looking articulation on the arms, legs, just the tail, it's just that. Mouth opening. The only reason why I got this because, well, it should be obvious, it's a new figure, and even though it looks similar to another figure, I just got it. Alright, next one will be, I'll do this one. I don't know this pterosaur that much. This is Draco, I think. Draco. It's a really obscure pterosaur, which looks like oh my goodness. Looks like another pterosaur that I can barely pronounce its name. But it's a bit slightly different. There you go. Draco. Nice looking red colorings and beige as well, with these really interesting wings. Oh, right there. The wings have like this pattern of yellow and green. The eye is actually really weird. Like, look at this Velociraptor. It has this orange eye with this pupil. Draco's eye is really small. I don't think you can see it, but it has green and it has a pupil. It's a really small one. Also, the teeth aren't painted on this one. It has the beige coloring. From the packaging, its teeth are painted, I think. I mean, besides the teeth not painted, it's a pretty interesting figure. I don't really know much about this one, like I said. Anyways, here's a scan code on the wing. For the articulation, you can move the neck, although it's pretty tight, moving up and down. It's really tight. Mouth can open up and close. Wings can just move. Look at that. And the legs. Alright, last one that I have here is the Spectrovenator. Another dinosaur creature that I don't really know much. It looks like the Jackapil, but not really. Oh. Alright, Spectrovenator. I like this nice like lime colored and this blue tail as well too. Whoa! Although what I don't like is this beige thing doesn't continue all the way to, I don't know, this part of the body, which is just weird. And the stripes as well are not starting from here to here. It's just like this. This is some nice osteoderm design, and this tail looks armadillo-ish tail. For the articulation, you can move the neck. I like that this one has like a really cool opening mouth, although it does kind of look like a carnivore for some reason with those teeth. You have the movable arms, the movable legs, and the tail looks pretty interesting. It still moves normally than like the other ones with the 360, but if you notice the design, geez, this part kind of overlaps with this part of the tail, which is interesting, but it doesn't really halt any movements. And here's the scan code. So yeah, kind of short video, but interesting one. I haven't seen many other people showcasing these ones. I only saw 3 videos I think each showcasing these ones individually. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you later. I'll like and subscribe and turn on notifications. Anyways, I'm out of here.